YouTube. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Fish back with another one. And I'm not gonna lie, bro. Today I'm running a few errands. Well, not really that many errands, but I'm finally outside the house. Like these last couple of days, I've been pretty much like put up inside, just chilling, playing my game and stuff. And it also been storming really bad out here in Houston. Like I don't know what it has, what it is, but it's been flooding really bad out here. Like it's been terrible. Like it's been a lot of roads underwater. And just in the past 3 days, so I really haven't been driving my car because I know I drive a car. I drive BMW, so it sits pretty low to the ground. Not too low, but it sits low, and I do not want to be driving it and get it stalled anywhere. So I have not been driving it like that. But today, I just came from my physical therapy appointment. I'm actually sitting outside here right now. I just came from physical therapy because y'all know I told y'all my back. I have back pain. I have a lot of issues with my just body in general that has occurred since I've been in the military. Like when I was in the military, before I went to the military, bro, I literally had like a perfect, like almost perfect body where I was able to do pretty much anything. I was pretty athletic, able to run, jump, all that stuff, sprint, no issues. But now times have changed. Like I feel like I'm still athletic, but I'm just not as athletic as I used to be. Like I used to be very athletic. I used to be really good with lifting weights. I used to lift really heavy. Now I just lost all of that, bro, being that I have lower back pain. So just came from this physical therapy appointment. I'm also about to text my friend and see what she's trying to do, because she said she wanted to get some food or something like that. I know she at work, but I'm gonna see what she's trying to do. We gonna go get food, and then after that I might go back home, chill a little bit, and then later on today I got a couple of things that I want to take care of. So I'm just videoing. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next clip. All right, man, since I'm sitting here stuck at the dang on train tracks, I got time to troll today. I was reading one of my comments. One of you guys said, real talk, let it go. You seem to be obsessed with Swift. They fired you weeks ago and all your content is strictly Swift. Move on with your life and get out your mom's house. I just laugh, like I just be laughing at my comments, bro. And like I said, I be liking the troll, bro. So like a lot of y'all be in my comments just saying anything. Literally, like little do y'all know, I could have went and got a house and moved out of my mom's crib. Like I only been home for not even a year yet. I hadn't even been home for a full year. I hadn't even been working with Swift for a full year, or I was working for a full year. Like I barely just got home literally this year. And on top of that, I can easily go get a house. I just have not going, because what's the point of me going to get a house if I'm about to literally go back to another job and live out the truck and go OTR? There's no point of me paying on the house I'm not going to be staying at. So I have not moved. Like there's no point of me moving out of my mom's house if I'm going to be driving the truck. It just makes no sense. Like what's the point of buying a house if you're not going to be living there? Like, yeah, bro, y'all be saying literally anything. Y'all think y'all know what y'all be talking about, bro, and y'all don't. Like that'd be really baffling, because like, what are you talking about, gang? Talking about move out of my mom's house just because I'm a man and I'm 22 years old and me move on my mom's house? Like, bro, and that right there be the problem with some of y'all too. Like some of y'all be so ready to move out your mom's house and then it don't be going good for some of y'all. Like I'm moving very smart and I know exactly what I'm doing. Like I'm not gonna go and put myself in debt for no house. Even though I can go and get one, it makes no sense. I'm gonna go right back over the road. Like, y'all just, it be so like, it don't be irritating, it be funny, and I be wanting to speak on it because a lot of y'all just think that y'all can just come in my comments and just say those type of things without really thinking about what you said. Like that just made no sense, bro. Literally. Then to say I'm obsessed with Swift, all my content is Swift. Like, dude, I'm a truck driver, literally. I'm a truck driver. I was working for Swift for the past, almost 6 months. Of course, all my content was going to be about Swift because I was driving for them, and my channel, my whole entire channel itself is strictly lifestyle content. So if that's a part of my life, of course I'm gonna make hella videos of me driving the truck, and I was uploading every day. So like, I don't know. Some of y'all, like, I don't know, bro. I just don't get it. And then a lot of y'all are like, little do a lot of y'all know, content creators make way more money than truck drivers, bro. In today's age, bro. So all these videos that I'm dropping, I'm making money from it. Like literally, bro. But I don't want to sit here and just talk and just ramble about that stuff because it is what it is. Yeah. Now, where am I going? I don't even know where I'm going. I think I'm about to just head home because I'm supposed to have plans to do some stuff, but it don't look like I'm gonna be able to do it because it's about to start storming again, which has literally been keeping me in the house lately. It's been storming so much. Might as well just go back home and chill. But yeah, that's all. That's really all I have to say. Again, I will turn the camera back in. I will turn the camera back on when I have something else to do for today. But right now it's just a really slow day. I'm just riding around and stuff. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, man. Right now I'm currently at the gas station that I always go to. Like I literally always come here, literally getting gas. And I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm mad, bro, because I scratched my tent, dog. I scratched my tent when I was cleaning up that truck to put all my stuff inside of here. Scratched the inside of my tent. Now it looks horrible. Now I gotta get that fixed because every time I'm driving, I just see a fat old scratch in the back of my. Oh, I hate having to go see the cashier. Jesus. Let me do my credit card, man. Don't y'all hate coming to the gas? But it's like every time I come to the gas station, I gotta go see the cashier. It makes me so mad. Alright. She said, take your time. What's the rush? Ooh. There we go. Yeah, I'm getting gas. I love my car, bro. Like, a lot of y'all ask me for POV videos. It's coming pretty soon. I literally just, like, not too long ago ordered my mods. So this right here will no longer be down here. This diffuser. I'm getting a whole new diffuser. And I'm getting dual pipes on my car. Another thing I'm getting, my little spoiler that's coming off. I'm getting a new one. And then my side skirts, which y'all can see my side skirts actually hanging off the dang on side of my car. So I'm getting that fixed. But I don't know if I can show y'all my tent that's scratched. Let me see if I can show y'all. I don't know if it'll show. No, it don't really show. It don't show, bro. But when I'm driving, when I be driving, bro, I see my dang on, like, I see a fat old scratch on my tent, and I do not like that. I paid $600 to get my car tinted. Literally, I went to Tent World, and they literally charged me $600. But that's because I got some protective tint that can, like, block out the sun a lot more than regular tint. And believe it or not, bro, like, it's a big difference between my car and my mom's car and the truck that I drive. Like, I got a truck at home that y'all normally see me driving, the black truck. That has tint, but that's like regular tint. This tint right here, like, it's been days where it's been hot outside and I get in my car and it be cool. But I get in, like, the truck on my mom's car, it be hot as hell in there. And don't get me wrong, it'll still be a little warm, but it'll be as warm as day cars. So I got this tint on there. Yeah. I'm about to say, bro, $40, bro, they're tripping. Give me a little more gas, just in case. I bet. But yeah, now I'm about to be ready to go to the crib because there's nothing else for me to do, bro. Like, literally nothing else for me to do besides go home and organize some stuff. I still been applying to jobs and all that stuff, but contacting jobs, asking questions. So that's what it is. Let me get this gas off my car, bro. Hey, Dad. There we go. But yeah, I've been applying to jobs, trying to get something situated, just so I can know where my next move is gonna be. Oh my God, beautiful. Oh my, bro, like, is gas stations a wave now? I always run into a beautiful woman at a gas station. First it was the loves. If you watch my last vlog, like the vlog before I got fired, I think it was like 2 or 3 vlogs before I got fired. it was a woman that I met at the gas station. I talked to her and everything, but my approach, I ain't gonna lie, my approach is kind of weird. And I just saw another beautiful young woman, but looked like she was with somebody, so I wasn't about to go over there and talk to her. And plus, I'm trying to get home. Great. I only got 348 miles full. I normally get 450. Great, bro. But yeah, I've been applying to jobs and everything. I ain't really stressing it. Like I'm not in no big rush to get back into trucking, honestly, because like I'm just not in a big rush. I don't want to wait too long because then they might send me back into training. Why are y'all reversing like that? You're a little too close to my car. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to head to the crib. I will probably conclude the vlog here. I know it was very short. I didn't even show y'all anything. I just rambled the whole vlog. Y'all can get a lot of videos like that where I'm just talking because, honestly, bro, I be living a boring, like, I live a very boring life outside of trucking. Besides, like, the stuff that, like, besides me going bowling and, like, doing self-care or, like, going to get food, I live a very boring life. Like, I have friends out here in Houston, but they don't do the same things I do. They just barely found the hobby, which was hollering, which is bowling. Like, that's the only thing they'll do. But as far as, like, other things that I want to do, nobody has the same hobbies as me. So, it's going to be a very, like, boring type of videos. But I'm gonna pick it back up. I got things planned out to do to give y'all content and everything. So, y'all just going to have to stay tuned. But, I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. I'm not sure if it'll be a sit down because I have been reading my comments. Somebody asked me to do a montage video or something with Swift. So I'm gonna try to plan that out for y'all, and that'll be all. But with that being said, I love y'all. I will see y'all on the next one. Your boy Fish out.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keeping the flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko, play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be chicken, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switched up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back, don't have a date on it. I treat my pill like a sword when it's time to be used. I decapitate every opponent. Don't care who they send after me, cause you gon' face my records. I'm feeling just like Meliodas. Hit after hit, cause you know I don't miss. Blessed with a curse, but it's all cause I'm chosen. Nobody real up, cause pretending the trend. Kept time we drop, cause my R won't end. Took some time up, but I returned again. I'm a bitch just like Gohan, I fight for the win. Live off our letters, cause Nova my clan. I get so high, I don't know where to land. If you think you better, you don't stand a chance. They don't get bigger pictures, they minds can't expand. Only fear God in me that despises who I am. Fuck all the critics and haters.